Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add email pop-up on Shopify. So as we all know, adding email pop-up on your Shopify store can actually boost up your communication with your clients or your potential customers. Well, for us to do that, we need to install an application because currently it is not by default supported by Shopify. So we need to access or install an application. So at the bottom left here, go and tap on apps. It's going to redirect you into the app section and search bar, and what we need to do here is we need to search for the following application. So it's going to be pop convert here. Just press on enter. It's going to load up the Shopify app store. What we need to do here is just look for pop convert here. Just click on it, and as you can see, we will be able to install it. Just click on install. Once we click on it, it's going to redirect you to another section again, where you just need to basically click on the section that says install. So in this case, here click on install app again, and once you have done that, it's going to load up and the installation process should now initiate on your store. Now once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and click on the pin to your navigation, so you will be able to access it immediately. In this case, what we need to do next is we need to go ahead and start creating our pop-up. So at the bottom left here, you should see campaign section. Go ahead and click on pop-up, and from here click on the option it says create campaign. Now from here we want to basically get subscribers, so ask for emotes or full numbers. Then from here just click on create pop-up, and from here we also have to enter a name. For example, I want to say this is going to be a sample pop-up name. Click on create pop-up here, and from here what we need to do next, we need to basically start editing our pop-up. As you can see, immediately it's going to create it for us. So you can change a few things here, like the colors, text, background color. If you want to upload a background image, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now also you can go to the other section here, like content, settings, display and conversion. So obviously there is going to be a lot here. So if you also want to view the mobile version for it, you can go ahead and click on the mobile option here. As you can see, it actually looks really good as of this moment. Now in this case, once you are done editing your pop-up here, you can go ahead and start saving it. So at the top right of the screen, you can go ahead and click on save and publish, and once you have done that, you can go ahead and go back to pop-up convert. Click on it at the left side here, and from here go to pop-up again and make sure it's currently active. So as you can see, it says active here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.